It is day 6 of our 30-day decluttering challenge, and this one's going to be tough. Here's the thing, we are in the closet, and I want you to actually move to the closet and do this with me, and I'm going to show you a completely new way to declutter. Instead of doing the Marie Kondo, taking everything out and piling, which is awesome, I'm going to show you how you can declutter your closet in 5 minutes. But we're not just looking at stuff that's oh, maybe I don't wear this. I want you to radically shift your mindset when it comes to decluttering clothes and instead ask yourself, are these toxic bullies? My weight's up and down like a yo-yo, and I have clothes that used to fit, but I've gained weight and they don't fit now, or I just don't love my flabby arms in them. And every time I pull it out to put it on my body, here's what I say. I love this shirt. I wish I wasn't so fat and I could wear it. And that's why this is a toxic bully. And that's what I want you to think when you're in your closet. And it doesn't have to be about weight. It has to be, oh, it just doesn't sit right, or I don't feel confident. If you don't feel fabulous in this, it is leaving your closet today. We don't have to pull it out. We don't have to make a mess. We only have to spend 5 minutes and find 5 things. So are you ready? Set your timer. On your mark, get set. Let's declutter. This is personal for me. So I've recently gained about 25 pounds and I'm struggling when I go to get ready in the morning because there's a lot of things that looked fabulous before and look less fabulous now. And I pull it out and I think all these negative thoughts about myself. So I'm just going to say no. If I do happen to lose the weight again, I'm going to treat myself to something that fits the body when in that moment. But right now, I deserve better and you deserve better too. So pull one item out at a time and really ask yourself, do I love this? Do I feel good in this? And the answer, if it's no, it's got to go. We only wear 20% of our clothing 80% of the time, which means 80% of the clothes in your closet you never touch. And they're just taking up space. It's more to push and move, but more than that, it hurts your feelings. Every time you look at them, they're mean, toxic bullies if it makes you feel bad about your body. And they're going, this one, I got old lady flab arms, man. It's cute, but I never wear it because I feel disgusting in it. So that's 2. Come on, I hope you're finding stuff too. I hope you're this is too small. I hope you're finding things and you're just like, I loved this shirt. It's about self-respect, self-love, and creating a closet where you can walk in blindfolded and know that whatever you put on your body, you can leave the house in with confidence. This is going to save you time every morning, but more than that, you're going to feel good about yourself every day because you haven't been bullied by your clothing. I bought this. I thought it would be so cute. It still has the tag on it. What a waste. It's taking up space and someone else could use this and love it. It's going. No regrets. A little bit of regret. But it's too full. This is too full. This one's too tight. Goodbye. I'm almost to 5. How are you guys doing? Keep going. We're not making a mess. We're not pulling everything out. Do I love this? We're not trying things on. If you're not sure, we can keep it. This isn't some huge, insane life. Oh, it's a Care Bear. I'll never wear this again. That could go. You're not going to change your life today. What you are going to do is grow some self-confidence and realize that this can be fun because guess what? You'll discover shirts you forgot you owned. You're like, actually, I love this. It's kind of like shopping your closet. And you'll be proud of yourself for standing up and saying, goodbye, bully. Okay, so I want you to do the clothes in your closet just like that, super, super quick. I have 2 minutes left. Oh man, I better get digging deep. Digging deep. I feel like asking Emily, who's filming me, what shirts look good on me because she sees me in all these all the time. Got this from Goodwill. It's too short. You like this one?
No, I don't.
Yeah. It's also helpful to have someone you love and trust with you to say, you look like crap in that. I look like crap in this. Okay, this is going to, can we just, the whole, no. Okay, I love this shirt so much. Oh, I love this shirt, but it had a stain. And it's gonna stay. This one's too short. It's so cute, but it's too short.
Wear a tank top with it.
It's helpful to have a friend with you. Yeah, okay, I'm feeling good. No, this one. I wear this for cleaning the house though. It's way too tight. Even when I'm cleaning the house, I feel like subconsciously sucking it in because I got the muffin top roll. So I can pick one to clean the house that actually doesn't make me feel that way, which would be very helpful. Same as this. Oh, I rocked this at 125. It was okay at 140. At 168. I look like a stuffed sausage. That one hurt a little bit, but that's okay because you know what hurts more? Every morning I look at it and think, why did you gain so much weight? I love this shirt, but I look like a grandma.
You do.
I don't?
I think you look good in it.
That's nice. Thank you, Emily. I love you. That's nice. I got rid of a lot. I'm feeling really good. I do love these things too. Let's go over to the things here. That's 5 minutes. Thank God. I don't want to let go of any more, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling pumped, and I hope you are too. Please, 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 please take a picture of all the things that you decluttered today. Make sure you post it and use the hashtag ClutterbugDeclutter to inspire other people to take this 5-minute daily challenge, and I'll see you back here tomorrow when we do it all over again. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I've learned something about clothing recently and old lady boobs. When you're working out, which I normally never do, so I didn't know this, there's more than one reason to wear a sports bra. And it isn't just because, like, you don't want to hit yourself in the face while running. It keeps things compact. It also stops something called, like, spillage. Is that the right word? So here's the thing. I'm at firefighter school and I'm wearing like my normal bra from La Senza that's a bit of a push-up, and I'm lifting and I'm pushing and I'm wearing like the pants, but I'm wearing my regular t-shirt and I'm soaking wet. So much sweat. And I'm moving and I'm carrying things. And I notice like some weird looks, like no one's making eye contact with me and I'm not sure why. You can feel it. You know that tension in the air that you can feel? And I look down and my boobs had come out of my bra, and it's cold at the time. It was in the beginning of May, and one's pointing this way and one's pointing this way on the outside of my boobs, because when I had bent over, my pancake spaghetti boobs had fallen out of the top of my bra and now were just flattened on my bra, and it was really embarrassing. So I've learned, when you work out, contain the girls, and also people are kind, because how do you say that to a stranger? You just avoid eye contact. How do you say, excuse me, ma'am, looks like your boobs have fallen out of your bra? Nobody said it. I had to discover it on my own. So just sharing that with you. This one's a weird one. I'll see you guys next time.